Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to manage scenes. In the beginning, select Scenes from Mode wheel. Next, tap here, and here you can select Kids, Sports, Panoramic Shot, Landscape, Group Photo, Smooth Skin, Portrait, Self-Portrait, Silent Shutter, HDR, Backlight Control, Handheld Night Scene, Food, Close-Up, Panning, and back to Kids. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.